Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about indexing in XPath. If you have a XPath which matches with multiple elements, don't worry, this video will help you. Let's open this HTML page which we have developed to demonstrate indexing in XPath. If you want to try your hands on, you can download this page from the description of this video. Now let's say inspect on this page. Here you can type Ctrl F, which will open this search box, and type the tag name, which is table in our case, and type the ID. ID is table 1. Okay, inside table 1 you need to find tr. All right, so here you can see there are 5 matches for this particular XPath. So this XPath does not return a single element, it returns you the array of element, and you want to select only one element out of that. So here you can pass the index of first element, which is 1. You can select the next element by saying second element, and you can go till the last element. Okay, now what if you don't know what is the last element? Okay, you don't know the index of last element. In that case, use last function, which will give you the index of last element. You can also say last minus 1, last minus 2. You can see different elements are getting highlighted with this index. Okay friends, if, hope this video helped you. If this helped you, please subscribe to this channel, because that will help us grow and make some more videos for you in the future. Like this video and comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.